Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Desi A Programmer. In this video, I will tell you how to make a simple program without knowing much about programming. Who can make program? Yeah, anybody can make program even if he does not know much about programming. So, I will tell you today how to make a program without even knowledge of programming. In my previous video, I made a program to install a IntelliJ IDE for Java. So let's use this IntelliJ application to create a program. I made this video only for beginner who don't know much about programming or who just started to learn about Java programming. So let's open the IDE software. First, click on Files, New and Project, and then select the Java JDK development and see if we installed Java development kit is there, and then click on next, create new project, and click on next. First you need to type your project name, so com dot first program, and then next. Click on this window. Now, so what you see here, think about this is a formula for program. So if we think about real time example, think of package as a school and the class as a class in the school. So package is a institute, the school, which the class is a subclass in this school. That means the classes in here is also a subclass of package. So we need to write in the class what we wanted to print. So as you see the public in this program, think about public as a teacher, math teacher, who is accessible for every class in this package. On third line there is public. The public shows that these values are accessible in in this project. That means we can create more packages and we can access this public in these packages also. That means this class is accessible in all over the project. So as you see next, static shows this is non-object oriented program. That means we are not using objects program in this video. So first type system dot out dot println brackets, right, hello world. Don't leave to write down a semicolon. If you don't write semicolon, then it will show error to you. So first you need to build this program. As you see, the program is building. Now the building is completed. So we need to run this program. Click on run on menu bar. Now the program is run. and it shows hello world. So can we write something other than this? So let's try it. Desi programmer. Then we need to click on build, and then run. Let's see. In the console bar, you see Desi programmer is written in there. Let's try out addition method. I will write value int. Think of int. We are writing integer value, so that's why we are using int. And then next is variable is equal to, and then value, and then semicolon, and then second value, and then variable. Variable means the address that holds the value. Think about gallery which holds the photos. So the variable holds the value. System.out.println in bracket a plus b bracket complete and semicolon, and then build and run. As you run the program, the console will show the value of addition. Let's try another thing like subtraction. Then first put system.out.println a minus b and then semicolon. As you will be thinking, what is system.out.println? System.out means system is putting out. That means system is giving some output, showing some output and printing this value. And then in our third line, there is system.out.println a divided by b. Then build and run. As you see, you are watching value 1. Even there is remainder on divide. If you want to see what is remainder, we need to write next program. Let's system.out.println in bracket a mod b and semicolon. Then build and then run the program when the build completed. And as the program is running, there, there is value of a mod b on the console. This is remainder of a mod b. So please subscribe the channel for the next video.